Sometimes it does feel. Commit yourself freely to a dominant man now, doesn't it? And you're always aware of this desire. Side, you can feel this strong desire to be taken. And it never really does go away all the way, does it? So, right now, I want you to lay down. So I know that you know that the more you just relax deeply into the safe, calm, soothing relaxation of my voice, the more you are able to focus completely on the sound of my voice. And the vibration of the sound carry yourself deeper and deeper now. And think about how good this feels to just go a little bit deeper than you are used to. And allow the low vibrations to move freely through your body, going lower and deeper. Because the more you're able to continue to relax in a way that is most comfortable and quick and easy for you, the easier it is for you to allow my voice to guide yourself into an even deeper state of transformation. As the dream forms more and more with every deep breath of your relaxing body. And remember that strong desire that is deep inside. This strong desire that carries you deeper and deeper. This strong desire to submit continues to call you closer and closer to release now. And as you are able to enjoy a feeling of excitement growing for something bigger that is coming inside of you, you can allow all the muscles in your body to relax completely now. Just like you have relaxed so easy so many times and in so many ways, relax now. And slowly go deeper and deeper. And it's a good thing you are such a good listener, because the things I tell you make a warm, positive feeling in your body and in your mind. And it is such a good thing to know that your good Father takes care of you. As you go deeper and deeper into the deep and warm inside your beautiful unconscious mind. And you may wonder, as your mind does wonder now, are the things that you hear me speak within your deeper mind suggestions, or are they commands that come from a man who does enjoy when you do what I tell you to do? And do what I ask, because you give me such deep pleasure to know you understand what I expect of you. and you relax even more for me now. What feels best in your body, in your mind? Suggestions of pleasure, a suggestive feeling so good now. Vibrations that continue to move down there. Move deeper as you are moved more deeply by my voice. Commands that can be so easy to follow now. Because it feels so good to allow yourself to be taken by my voice even deeper. And your pleasure is swollen every time you hear the distinct sound of my voice. Because we move and vibrate together now. Because as I tell you to go even deeper and take in my voice even deeper now, completely. I'm going to take you all the way down and go all the way down now. Good. And now that your mind is open completely to my words and the sound of my voice, open completely to accept all of these pleasure suggestions freely, touched by all the commands making erotic pleasure you hear me give to your own unconscious mind now. And understand the pleasure you give to me as your unconscious does listen to the way I speak, as you enjoy the safety I provide to you so that you know it is safe to submit now, so that you can let go completely now, and allow your dream to become real and come all over you. Because you know that you need and want to experience a dominant man. Put you in the exact position you need to be free to experience the pleasure you want. Me now. And feel a masterful man that knows exactly how to put your beautiful little self inside the dream you need to just feel the pleasure swell in your body and feel the pleasure grow bigger now, like a fire inside you. Squeeze to the sensations of pleasure and release completely. You can feel growing pleasure more and more, hot so that you can release. Your natural rhythm is to expand and release. And you know exactly when to make the pleasure almost too much and when to release completely for me. Because you know that I will always lead you safely on the way to more and more pleasure and move deeper inside now, deeper. So much warm pleasure and release. And you understand now how much pleasure I feel to know that you listen to my voice carefully and you go even deeper into dreaming with every word. Because as you go deeper and deeper into dreaming, you enjoy even more pleasure. And as you feel more and more pleasure, you go deeper and deeper into dreaming. Because you are so good to do what I say. Because it is always feeling so good to listen to the sound of my voice. Open your mind and open your body to every moment of more pleasure inside your body now. And you can feel me here with you. And you allow me to do what I want to do with you. Because you know it is safe and that it will always feel so good to allow me to do with you what I want, to give me pleasure. Because every time I go deeply into you, you become strong, more and more every time I'm with you. And every time you allow my voice to go deep inside again and again, you feel sexual healing. And every night when you dream, you can hear my voice inside tell you how beautiful you are, because you are my flower. And as your pleasure goes high and more high, and you can remember to bring this experience of healing with you in the time to come, and open more and more to great pleasure experience, just like my flower open completely. Open your flower for me now. Open for me. Open every part of you in a dream of complete and total release now, and pleasure for me, because you are my beautiful